Alright, basically this is just a little video on how to replace the glass, the protective screen protector on your Galaxy watches, or any kind of watch really. Let's hope the actual glass isn't cracked. Now we're good. We're gravy. Alright. A few things here. Alcohol pad, of course. Little wipes. The screen itself. Protector itself, whatever. Your dust absorbers. And your little guide sticker. So basically, obviously clean it off. Dry it. With dust absorber. A little guide sticker, like I said, pull this off. Alright, sticky sides over there, so basically put it like that. Make sure there's no dust. Pull it back. And go in for it. Push out the air. Good to go. No more cracks.